Welcome children. This is Trinity Academy Matriculation Higher Secondary School. I am your moral science teacher. Now I am going to teach lesson 11, obedience. First, introduction of obedience. Obedience is a form of social influence in which a person yields to explicit instructions or orders from an authority figure. Obedience is generally distinguished from compliance, which is behavior influenced by peers, and from conformity, which is behavior intended to match that of the majority. Let's move on to the lesson, children. Sneha was very happy and in jolly mood as her school had organized a picnic. They all were going to a forest for a nature walk. She was excited to gather flowers and fallen leaves for her science album. All her friends were also excited and cheerful to go to picnic. They were strictly asked not to pluck or touch anything in the forest. As they reached forest, they were divided into groups by their class teacher. She said to them, "Kids, I am forming groups of 3 students each. Never leave or separate from your group. Neither run nor walk too fast here and there. You may be lost." Sneha was a very good athlete. She was in the habit of doing very fast activities. She was a little taller also than the rest of the students of her group. When the students began to explore, she felt that the remaining students were walking very slow. She began to walk a bit faster with expectation that the remaining students will also follow her up easily. In the meantime, on her way, she saw different kinds of leaves and flowers. On the way, she also spotted numerous birds, etc., that she had never seen earlier. She became so enthusiastic that she began to move more faster. Very soon, she was isolated from the remaining students of her group. She reached at a dark place. She immediately looked around herself, but she did not find any of her classmates with her. She shouted out very sharply the names of her friends, but did not get any answer. There was dead silence around herself. The only sound she was hearing was the chirping of birds and rustle of leaves. Now she came to know that she was isolated from her friends of her group and was totally alone. Once again she shouted out sharply, "Help! Help! I am totally lost." She again found dead silence around. She got afraid and started crying. After some time, she heard someone calling out by her name. It was her worried class teacher. Sneha felt delighted and had very big sigh of relief. Thank you very much, ma'am, for searching me. I was too much scared. Now onwards, I will always obey my elders and will always stay in the group. I firmly promise I won't try to become over smart. Her class teacher finally smiled at her and said, "My dear, we always make rules for you as we know what will happen wrong in the absence of rules and regulations." Now come here and join your friends. They are all waiting for you. So Sneha had now learnt a very good lesson to obey her elders. Moral: we should avoid becoming over smart. Thank you, children.